In this video, I'll be showing you the print functions on the Invoices report page. If you don't know how to get to this page, I just have an auction that has ran in full. I closed it and then I generated the invoices, opened up the auction, and then just clicked on Invoices here and List Invoices. So to continue from my last couple of videos going through the batch actions, I'm going to click on batch actions here, scroll down to where it says print invoices and list. And then going back to what I mentioned before in a previous video is if you click on print selected, you have to select invoices from the list, or if you click on print invoices in the list, it'll select all the invoices on this auction. So the first function will be the select. So the first option is to print invoices. I'm going to select these four here, and then you'll be able to choose whether to sort the invoices on the print view, starting by the invoice number, bidder last name, or number of lots. And by that I just mean the order that they'll appear on the print view. And you click on print, and what this will do is open up a print view. Firstly, in whatever software you use, it should open up as a pop-up. You'll get a nice view of each invoice. Once you open up the print view, you'll be able to see the invoices. You can ignore the cat eating the banana, that's just us having fun with the test site. And then all you have to do is just, if you're connected up to a printer, you can either save as a PDF or you can send it to your printer. Click on save. I'm just going to click on adding it as a PDF. Click on save, and just like that I have the invoices on my computer. And then here is just the actual print view as well, open up on the website. If you don't get prompted to open up in another print view automatically, you can still look at it here. So that's the first thing you can do with the print on the invoices. And the second thing is, if I take these invoices again, go back to batch actions, scroll down just further past what I did and click on print selected invoices without auction terms. Again, you'll have the options to sort by invoice number, bidder last name, or number of lots. Click on print, and of course what this will do is just, it'll print the invoices again, but this time without the terms underneath the price breakdown. So this will just include, your logo if you choose, name of the auction, the titles of the lots, and the cost breakdown. That's it for this video. Very simple feature. Just wanted to show you how you can print the invoices yourself. Yeah, thanks again for watching.